Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. If you're looking for a way to mount multiple monitors with your MacBook, that's the M1 all the way to the M4, this device right here might be exactly what you're looking for. Now, this was sent out to me by TobenONE, but I have reviewed and tested a lot of their different products, all of them being outstanding. I hope this one will meet the same standard. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this over to the desk. We're going to take a look at exactly all the features that this has to offer. We're going to set this up with one of my MacBooks and show you guys one of the really cool, unique features that this little dock has. All right, guys, y'all ready? Y'all ready? Let's go. All right, guys, now we're over at the desk. Let me show you some of the accessories that come with it. One of the first accessories you'll find in the box is going to be this host cable. And as you guys can see, it has two USB-Cs on either side. One is going to be for your M1 Max. The other one is going to be to connect to the device itself. This is a powered device, so it does come with the power cable. This has the little retractable little prong on here, which is really nice. That's going to be great for travel. It is not detachable. You cannot remove the cable, but for the most part, it's going to be a very, portable power supply. Let's take a closer look at the actual device itself. Of course, it does come with, the standard little starter card, if you guys want to take a look at that. But here is the actual unit itself. I want you guys to see this a little bit closer up. As you guys can see here in the front, we have two USB-As. We have our USB-C here. This is going to be for connectivity. You have your SD card slot, a TF slot, and you also have an input here for a microphone or for headphones, okay? On the side, just the bolts. On this side here, this is where your host cable goes in. On the starting from here, you have a USB-C. This is for power delivery. You have Ethernet. You have two USB-As. Both of these are 2.0. You have two HDMIs, and you have one VGA connector right here. And the unique thing about this is designed for a clamshell style where you can actually close your MacBook and you'll be able to set it down inside here. So let me show you guys what that actually looks like. So you'll be able to close your MacBook and still place it inside for the clamshell effect. Now, the host cable, as I mentioned before, plugs into the Mac. So in the situation that I have it here, I would just take this, flip it around. It would be facing forward. And then I would have the host cable plugged into the Mac right here. And then also into our hub, connecting it right there. And that's going to give us connectivity between the Mac and this hub. Now, the front-facing side of this, you'll be pretty much looking at it from this perspective. So you'll still have access to your two USB-As and all of your other peripherals that you have connected to it. You guys see we have a power indicator right now. That's the power coming from the Mac, but this does have to be powered, okay? So in order to power it, of course, you're going to plug it into some type of power. So let's do that. All right, guys, so as you can see, this is our power. So we're going to plug this in. This is a standard looking USB-C. So it's a good chance you could power this from a number of different things, but in this case, we're just going to plug it in right here. Let's rotate this guy back around. You guys can see what that looks like. And we're going to plug in here to our power, like so. And that would give us power. Now I heard the Mac chime, so that lets me know that it is connected. So at this point, we would just go through the normal processes of connecting this to our Mac, to our monitors, to our keyboard, mouse. So if you just wanted to have a very simple setup where you have, two monitors on your desk and be able to connect this, this could be an excellent option for you. So as you see here, you have two options. You could either have your MacBook open, utilizing the built-in keyboard or an additional keyboard. That's an option. Of course, you can use a mouse that is connected to the docking station. So I can go in here and I can open a file. And if I wanted to take this browser window here, I can just grab this and I can drag it over to the other side and pretty much place this any place that I like. So you got full connectivity with all of your different monitors. And like I said, depending on the MacBook that you're using, this will support up to 2 different monitors. So if I close the MacBook now, we'll still have access to this monitor here. So let me show you guys what that looks like. So let's just close the Mac. And if this was inside of the cradle, it would be basically the same thing. I would still have the same connectivity where I could move things around, anywhere I want to on the screen. I can open and close things, as you guys see here. So like I said, this is a very simple setup. It's going to be easy to manipulate. Having multiple monitors for your MacBook, if you're looking for a way to really clean up your desk a little bit, this could be ideal. So again, guys, I think this is an amazing product for someone who is looking to expand their desk without expanding the clutter. This is going to give you a lot of accessibility to all of your different peripherals, whatever the case it might be. And you do have the option of using this in the clamshell orientation. So if that is you, like me, this could be an excellent option for you. There we go. All right, guys, it's been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I just wanted to do a quick video showing you guys this wonderful little docking station from our friends over at TobenONE. I think this is going to be an excellent addition to my desk here in the studio, as well as I think it'll be an excellent product for you guys to take a look at as well. All right, guys, I will see you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.